It's been a long, long time since I've memorized your face. It's been 4 hours
what's your
now
name?
since I've wandered through your place.
Why do you love the Sawdust Festival?
And when I sleep on your couch, I feel very safe. And when you bring the blankets, I cover up my face. I do love you. I do love you. And when you play
My name is Patty Jones.
listen
How long have you been at the Sawdust Festival?
I've been at the Sawdust Festival for 40 years.
Oh my goodness.
My favorite